Wow, this thing works great. And it looks like they did send you a little ratchet strap for ratchet strapping it down through here while you're traveling. So put it in the back of a truck and you can ratchet strap it down. Okay, so if you're like me and you're tired of filling up those little kind of small containers of gasoline, this is what I recommend for you, everybody. This right here is a 57 liter, which is I think about 15 gallons. Does it have it on here? Yeah, 57 liter, 15 gallon contained gasoline system here. The reason I'm saying it's a system, check it out. You have a nozzle right here and it goes just like this. So when you're filling it up, you're gonna lay it down flat and fill it up just like this. And it has a screen in there, which is very handy. And there's a little pressurized valve right here. You wanna loosen that pressurized valve up when you're ready to use it. So for the purpose of this video, I did put some water in here just to show y'all how it worked. Here's the box that came in right here. And you see how the hose goes? It goes up just like this. So you're gonna set it up right. They do have little wheels on it. So you can roll this thing around. Now when you wanna use it, you want to do it upright like this because all the weight of the gasoline is going to be pushing down like that. There's a on and off valve right here. Make sure both of those valves are in a straight line just like that. And then right here, we are pressurized, so we're going to open it like that. Now this is technically a pump and it's got a little like safety valve right here that you're going to go. So what you're going to do is pump this up. There's a safety mechanism. What this is a pump. Look at that. Look how much gas is coming out of that. Well, technically that would be gas coming out of here. See how you could just fill up a whole jug? I've already went through probably about 2 gallons already, almost just like you would fill it up at a gas tank right here. And all this is a place to hang the hose. Once again, remember to loosen that valve right there. That's your pressurized valve. Is that not awesome? So you could really fill up, like a whole car. And what I would be using this for mostly is lawn equipment or some sort of like, actually, you know where I think it'd be great? So we had a hurricane here not too long ago and gasoline was almost impossible to find. This is 57 liters, 15 gallons of gas that I'd have in reserve can almost, that's probably what? That's almost half a tank. In my small car, that's almost a full tank of gasoline right here. Kind of looks like a car gas tank when you're looking at just a mobile car gas tank that can kind of do it all. I don't see any problems with this thing at all. I think it's a great option for anyone that just needs to have spare gasoline on demand. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, 57 liter, 15 gallon mobile gas tank. See you all in the next video.